My anniversary, 10 years anniversary. For my puti lalaki. Winter time here. Maybe brother, no?
No. Silver car.
What car the brother? Color?
Silver Toyota.
Huh?
Silver Toyota.
Ah, silver.
Camrys.
Maybe there because nice view.
You got a bit of sun on the very end there to keep you warm though.
Huh? Then anniversary namin ng ano ko, uyab. Yung uyab ko. Sigarilyo. Sigarilyo lalaki. Big this one until there.
Yeah, it keeps going all the way to the lake.
Maybe there.
No, yeah.
Because nice view.
No good day.
Huh?
Needs the cover and everything.
Say the babae here.
Yeah, it's a park, yeah.
Long way. Ah, long way.
No,
Big
you don't
park.
want to go over there. You got children on bikes and skateboards and shit.
Big park. This one red good to any color, white, black.
And lucky colour. Oh, your skirt's up your back.
Yellow.
Through them and I'm going like this, and all I've done is just deleted a whole lot of them.
You haven't, have you?
No. This is before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I wasn't impressed over that. When I went back to my camera.
Going to club now,
Yes.
later. Yeah.
Yes,
For
you
lunch.
want to?
Yeah.
Yeah,
For
she
lunch.
says, of course.
Hungry na.
Wait for the bro to come back.
My
Here, got
sister-in-law
smoke in my mouth.
and my brother-in-law.
Oh, okay.
Handsome and beautiful.
Look at them, rub. You right to rock, bro?
Yeah, buddy.
Well done. Well done. You're a legal man again.
Where's the paper?
Yeah.
Safekeeping. She's going to do some copies and Jackie will drop
Give
them
to your
off.
copy,
Wednesday.
no? Ah, Wednesday.
Yes,
Ah.
yes.
You just
Going
it's better
to club
that way
now?
anyway, because you got folded up.
Yeah, that's no good.
No, you want it nice and flush.
Yeah, yeah. And put it in a frame.
Yeah, and she'll take some copies of it and that sort of thing. 'Cause
Yeah, of course.
JP as well, very
Very handy
No,
to know, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, are we
Going
ready
now?
to go? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to come in my car? Or you just want to walk?
It's all. Well, that bit I freaking walked over the hill from Unanderra, wouldn't I?
We're going now
2 o'clock.
in the hair club, Berkeley.
Yeah, Berkeley Club.
There only.
Where we'll do many drugs and eat foods.
No more lip there.
No, never lift nothing, nowhere, no time, no how, no way. Always check that you got your tips. Don't leave, don't leave. Yeah, you're right, girl.
Sama kayo mga brother ko and sister-in-law.
Thank you for coming. I appreciate it.
Thank you for coming, sis.
Congratulations to both of you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. That's nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice
What
to
will
meet
get
you.
in the car, darling?